All right. Hey, Kayla.
Hey, Marissa.
How are you?
Ready to go to Five Rivers?
I'm ready to go to Five Rivers.
All right, let's go. So when you're shopping secondhand, are there certain things that you're looking for? Like, do you have favorite items that you like to buy secondhand?
So I try to get as many things as possible secondhand.
And one of the amazing things about thrifting and buying secondhand and secondhand shopping is that it keeps good usable items in circulation.
Yeah, in circulation.
It keeps them in use.
I actually always have a reuse to go kit. And Kayla, if you check the glove compartment, I have a little surprise on what I keep in it.
So you've got your reusable bags in here.
I have reusable bags in my closet, in my car, in my bag.
Same.
At my desk. Anywhere where you think you could find a reusable bag, I have them. Don't worry.
I've heard about repair events, but I haven't been to one yet, and I'm really looking forward to going to one and checking one out. Have you been to one before?
They are so much fun. The last one I went to, I was told that the easiest thing or the most common thing for them to repair are lamps and vacuum cleaners, funny enough.
Oh, that's really interesting. Yeah. Lamps and vacuum cleaners. Okay, good to know.
Mm-hmm. But I know a lot of people bring like their sentimental stuff to these repair events to try to get them fixed.
Yep.
Have you ever heard of tool libraries?
Oh, yes. So I absolutely love tool libraries and the idea of tool libraries.
Yes.
You know, it's essentially like checking out a book, but you are able to check out, a variety of different items. So it's space saving. It reduces clutter. You can save money. Waste reduction is absolutely key to reducing environmental impact. Mm-hmm. So it's a really awesome way to, it can be incorporated into your everyday life.
I know on our website, the DEC webpage, that we actually have a reuse locator map on our reuse webpage. Mm-hmm. And, you could find places to reuse, if you could believe that.
Yeah.
So that's a great resource if you're ever interested in using it. Do you think Five Rivers has a water refill station for me to refill my bottle? I'm almost done.
Yeah, I could use some water too. Yeah, let's go in and check it out. I'm pretty sure they have something.
All right, I'm sure they do. I'm like, why wouldn't they?